Okay, so this problem is 5.3a, and this is an estimation problem. So for estimation, you can do estimation for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Today we're going to be looking at multiplication. This question says Adrian wants to buy 3 pairs of earrings and 2 necklaces. The earrings cost $19.89 each, and the necklaces cost $32.28 each. Adrian has $150. What is the best estimate of the amount of change Adrian will receive after purchasing the earrings and the necklaces? As you can see, I have gone through and I have highlighted keywords that are important, and I have highlighted numbers. So we know that Adrian is buying earrings and we know that she is buying necklaces. I used the 3 read strategy here. So I put the story is Adrian purchased earrings and a necklace with money. In the second box, I wrote the numbers. So she bought 3 pairs of earrings and they cost $19.89 each. She bought 2 necklaces for $32.28 each, and she has a total of $150. Some key words that I noticed inside the word problem was estimate, and I know that estimating means that we are going to be using rounding. I see the word each, and I know that each means that we are going to be multiplying because there's multiple pairs of earrings and there's multiple necklaces. I also found the word add because it says earrings and necklaces. So when you see the word and, you know that you're going to add. And then I said subtract because it says amount of change. And you know that when you go to a store and you purchase something, you give the cashier cash, you get money back. So that means that we're going to subtract what she purchased from her total and see what change she gets back. The very first thing that I'm going to do is this estimate and round, and I'm going to round the numbers for the jewelry. So for the earrings, I round it and I use the hill. So from 0 to 4, we round down. From 5 to 9, we round up. And I'm going to just move this out the way. So over here, I wrote the numbers. I wrote $19.89, and I want to round this to the nearest whole dollar. Okay. And so I underlined the ones place and I boxed the tenths place because I want to get this to be a solid number. The 8 tells us that we're going to round up. And so this 9 becomes a 0, which also means that we bring over another 1 over here. Or if we just look at this number as a whole, we have $19, and we're going to raise that $1, and it's going to be 20. Okay. Next, I'm going to look at the $32.28 for the necklaces. And I underline the 2 because, again, we're rounding to the nearest whole dollar. I box the 2. The 2 tells us on the hill that we're going to round down. So I move, we're going to round down. So this 2 is going to stay the same. And so we're just going to round this to $32. Now that I got my 2 numbers that I rounded the earrings and the necklaces to, I can go ahead and do my multiplication. On here, I'm going to multiply 32 times 2 because it says she purchased 2 necklaces for about $32. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. So 32 times 2 is 64. Next, I multiplied my earrings, and it says she spent about $20 on the earrings, and she purchased 3 of them. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. So 20 times 3 is 60. Next, I'm going to add these together because now I want to find out how much did she spend on the earrings and the necklaces together. So 60 plus 64, we have 0 plus 4 is 4, and 6 plus 6 is 12, and so that is 124. So she spent about $124. Next, I want to find out how much change she's going to get back after she gave the $150 to the cashier. And so I take $150, which is the total, and I subtract $124. And so I have 0 minus 4, and I cannot subtract 4 from 0, so I have to borrow. I go to the 5, I make it a 4, I bring over the 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, 4 minus 2 is 2, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So she has about $26 in change that she will receive back. When we do estimation, we are trying to find compatible numbers. We want to get these numbers rounded to the nearest whole number. That way we can do our best estimation on how much they spent, or how much is left over, or how much is their total. So we always want to use compatible numbers, okay? $19.89 is close to $20. $32.28 is close to $32. If you have questions, please rewatch this video, and bye.